two little birdies that fell off the nest. Oh, so cute. It seems like the mama is here. So we're trying to figure out how to put them back in the nest. Little babies. See, the mom is really worried. As I was trying to figure out how to put the birdies back in their nest, I called Kathy, my next door neighbor, to see if they had a ladder to reach the nest. It turned out they only had a step ladder, so she knocked Champs, another neighbor's door, to see if he could help. It turned out that he didn't have a ladder either, but he had some creativity and a few helpful house items. Actually, we ended up solving a ladder problem eventually. Joe, another one of my neighbors, also had a step ladder, and he brought that out to help. Also, I have to say that it was very brave of Champ's daughter, Marina, to do this. This was truly a teamwork. They tried everything.
Take it off.
As those guys were working on the nest retrieval operation, I kept an eye on the babies. One of them was really weak. For a moment, I even thought he was already dead. Fortunately, the baby was still alive. We kept them going as much as we could by getting them some water, as we had no idea what to feed them. With everyone's creative hard work, we finally got the nest. Good job.
Yeah.
I hope that we can complete this operation successfully, because right now the babies are hungry and the mom is really nervous. They're so fragile. Like, I feel like, oh babies, I'm sorry, I don't have anything to eat. I don't have anything. I know you're hungry. Let's name them Faith and Hope.
Yeah, Faith and Hope is better.
Yeah. Neat little girls or boys named Faith and Hope. I feel like it's just too small here. I'm not even sure how it's gonna fit them both.
Yeah, I think this is too small.
No, the mom was here actually. She was crying.
Someone doesn't want to eat them. You're not even opening it.
He's not getting.
You will have 3 pets now.
I have 3.
Well, you could potentially take it in the house and put them in a.
We knew the babies were starving, so Joe brought out some bread for them, as we didn't have access to any insects, unfortunately. And we didn't have to wait for too long to see the results. Oh my god.
There's poop everywhere.
You're little poopers.
I'm gonna call you poop and poop. I don't know.
Pooping Hope.
It's too much. Wait. They're gonna need water.
Yeah. So as a result, we moved the nest to this little plastic, and I see that the babies are still breathing. Look. And actually, my neighbor saw that the mom brought some food for them. Oh, I'm so happy. Their names are Faith and Hope. And there's the mom. So mom actually comes and feeds them, I hope. I was worried about them. Mommy came to pee. I see that the birdie grew up so fast, and there they are sitting with the mommy, and the birdie just left the nest. I think it's still kind of learning how to fly, but there he is. Unfortunately, one of the babies disappeared, and yes, one of them actually was a little weak. So, oh, it's flying a little bit. It's starting to fly. I think it's still learning to fly, and there's mommy. Oh, I'm so happy that at least one of them survived, and hopefully she or he will grow up to be a healthy, strong bird. So happy.